Okay, so this is day 2 of Chikmagalur trip and we all are ready, and these two are sleeping until Gagan is getting done with his bath, and then we'll leave for the trek where we're going, some Devs or something, I don't know the name, but yeah, we're going there. So I'll show you everyone once everyone is ready. Yeah. So we're finally checking out from here.
Sir, you won't take up.
This guy wants people. Now we are heading to, say the place name. Devramane we are going, guys. She are nice to yesterday. Trying to survive Gagan's driving right now. Yeah.
Do this. Shahrukh Khan ka pose.
Shahrukh Khan pose ke liye.
Okay.
Go stand.
2, 1, start.
Wait. Go.
Okay, come here.
No, you both stand. No, you both do.
All three, that is for vlog, not video.
All three, yeah.
For vlog. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Start.
Padu.
Part 2.
Makeup part 2 of Rose.
Yeah.
I'm not the only one.
She's the only
the
one.
training?
She's the only one. Oh, camera one way.
If you want the training, please
No.
do watch Rose at Insta 2022.
This is makeup part 1, but today she didn't do I think that much.
Anna? Anna, Kannada na? ಡೋಲಕ್ಪುರ್ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋದು? ಡೋಲಕ್ಪುರ್ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋದು?
ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ?
ಡೋಲಕ್ಪುರ್
ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು?
19 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್.
19 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. Guys, the video got misfired. I thought to prank him, he is prank me. He was like, go for 19 kilometer. Where will I go for 19 kilometer?
But Dholakpur is 19 kilometers from Chikmagalur, guys.
This is not Chikmagalur, guys.
Oh, what is this?
I don't know.
Wow. Then where are we?
19 kilometers from here.
Okay, wait.
So you don't know what is Dholakpur?
Bro, Dholakpur.
You don't know Dholakpur?
Bro.
No, actually, this is a prank.
No, you got pranked. Bro, Dholakpur is like Chota Bheem. Oh my god. Crazy. And that guy said it's like 19 kilometers far. He pranked us. He's running away to take the fruit for us. Oh, he ran off that time. Very often. What? He came with no fruits, huh?
Give it nothing.
Bro!
Sit in his pocket.
I don't think so.
No, I think he didn't get it.
He didn't get fruit, guys, I guess. Flop scene. He's searching, I think, but he's not getting. Oh my god. Yeah.
Where is the
Where is all is going? He's on hunting food.
Two of you come, princess.
Go.
Go.
Go, he's calling.
Where is he?
There. There's no place to go. Oh, I think there's a water. He didn't get fruit. You didn't get fruit, no? You didn't get fruit.
Fruit is not good. It has been completely spoiled, so we didn't take it.
Hey, be careful. Don't go that near, bro. It will slip. Come back.
We'll go
There's
there.
no-
Everyone, near the waterfall.
Nah. Dangerous. See, that's a water.
Yeah. The water is flowing over there.
Waterfall.
You want to see waterfall?
Wow.
Not from there.
I can't see it.
Only I'm asking you want to see, we'll go down.
No. Down.
So no one is supporting what is not adventure trip.
Bro, that will become adventure for life then. After that, we can't have any adventure.
It's all once in a life moment, right?
Yeah, once in a life only it will become.
Wait, I'll take it, friend. You can come.
Retriever, this guy is.
Yeah, actually.
Bro,
Now
no,
we'll-
no, like it's a complete new, so one. Like not new. What do you say? ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಮಸ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅಡಿಪೊಳಿ ಹಣ್ಣು நல்ல சுகமாயிட்டு இருக்கும்
Okay, let's head towards that fort thing.
ಅಡಿಪೊಳಿ ಹಣ್ಣು ಕಣ್ಣು
What is Adiapoliano?
ಅಡಿಯಪೊಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ
What is that?
ಅಡಿಪೊಳಿ means it's awesome. ಅಡಿಪೊಳಿ ಹಣ್ಣು ಕಣ್ಣು ಐ ವಾಚ್ that ಅಡಿಪೊಳಿ ಹಣ್ಣು means ಮಸ್ತು yeah
Say that.
Adiapoliano.
You can see from here. But as I will fall out.
Sing no. Padra. Oh my god. Sing no, you said you will sing.
I'm singing now.
Yeah, I can't see you sing.
In Bangalore days, you know, a song.
You don't sing. 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 You're looking cute, bro. Cute. Show it. Please, see. Cute, kitty guy. Sing. You're looking good. Sing. Come on. I'm gonna show you my wedding. Hey. Okay, so we are finally out of reach from everyone right now
Still we
because
are on another 5 to 6 kilometers.
no, out of.
That is the viewpoint and that is the place we are going to.
Now you say what?
It's completely filled with fog, mist.
See, that is the place we're going to go.
What new information?
Oh, no, we should do content. We should not do
I will teach you.
They are the Tom and Jerry of this trip, guys.
You.
Tom,
Me
Jerry.
being a such an innocent, I'm not even talking properly.
Talking
Innocent.
properly, yeah.
And you're saying that I'm teasing you.
Without talking properly, only you will tease everyone, no?
Don't be ready. Ask anyone whom I tease.
Mahi?
Yeah, I agree. He is everyone, guys. He's the bully of this trip.
Yes.
Ask anyone if I tease her.
See, he can't even say her name. From that time this guy is like Reema to Reshma. Yeah, that's see, what do you have to say about that?
He doesn't even say my name.
See, and then he says he's an innocent guy. Not at all.
Reshma, did I tease you?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, look. Teach him.
Yeah, my name.
Yeah. She agrees. Rose is
That's my difficult.
I'm such an introvert. You're saying me so much. Introvert. Why did you off the song?
Bye.
Mahi is saying hi to her friend.
Hey.
Please encourage. Like करो, subscribe करो, share करो.
Yeah, exactly
Bell
what.
button को दबा दो.
Exactly what Gagan said. He saw a peacock, guys. See,
Only so many
that's a
peacocks are
peacock.
there.
I didn't saw it ever.
You know Isirgata Lake.
No.
There are so many peacocks.
Bye, bye.
white
Yeah.
What? There was another pretty yellow flower on that side. I would have plucked that.
For Reshma?
I don't
want it.
Simply no need then.
Arey!
Thanks, man.
Rahul, why you didn't give Rahul? Why you didn't propose Rahul?
He's a boy.
Sure.
Where's your flower?
Rahul is hurt.
For Rahul, I've given my heart itself.
Oh. Bro, too much phone dropping thing. He gave his heart to you, he thinks. You're his official girlfriend.
No,
Boyfriend.
He's my unofficial. ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ?
Unofficial boyfriend.
No. Not boyfriend. Maggie.
Huh?
Maggie.
Oh,
Maggie,
while
bread
coming
omelette.
back, we'll eat that. Okay,
Maggie, we can have our breakfast here itself.
yeah, that's gonna be our
We
breakfast
can
now.
take the
Maggie.
chicken. It's nice.
Arey!
What?
Chicken he wants to take that.
Where is the
We'll rob
chicken?
that chicken.
Where did you see?
See there over there. It's less than. It's
Oh,
more
yeah.
than 2 kgs or 2.5 kgs.
Yeah, bro, actually.
So we can make tandoori for it.
Eee.
We'll take that.
No!
If anyone is saying.
Hey, go. It's probably pet one. For example.
Everywhere where he sees an animal, he
So
wants to
big.
eat.
Yeah, it would be nice to eat. You should eat, roam. sleep.
This is what he feels about animals. Every time he will see, we'll be like, oh, it will be so tasty.
Yeah, food is ultimate
You didn't say
for
that
us.
for peacock though.
A peacock.
You like
Police will
peacock?
arrest me if they see video. No. Wait.
We got
Rahul,
stuck.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಐತೆ ನೋಡು.
ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಾ
Oh, we can't go from here, guys.
ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಮೆತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬಾ
So we can't go from there, so probably we'll have to
We
walk.
are facing a difficulty.
Difficulty to take this car up. They went, bro.
There is jeep bro
Oh,
for that vehicle itself.
Here it's more down on the side.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ
Right side gap ಎಷ್ಟೈತೆ? ಹತ್ತಿಸ್ಬೋದಾ?
oh, I think we can take it now. Gagan's driving skills gonna help us now. Oh my god. Rose having heart attack.
Side ಬಾ.
It's a rented car, guys.
Oh, bye.
ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು
ಆಯ್ತಾ
Hey, see, that's a waterfall, guys.
ಇದೇ ಊರಾ?
ಇದೇ ಊರು
ಆಹಾ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ? ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಈ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಮಗ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಹುಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಏನೇನ್ ಐತನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ?
ರಾಣಿಜೇರಿ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು
ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಅಣ್ಣ? ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋದು?
ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು
ಮಸ್ತ್ ಉಂಟಾ ಅದು ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ?
ನೋಡಕ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಉಂಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ
ಆಡೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ?
ಆಡಕ್ಕೂ ಗುಂಡಿ ಉಂಟು
ಆಡೋದ್ ಗುಂಡಿ ಉಂಟಾ? ಎಗರ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಐತೈತಿ
ಸೂಪರ್.
Ready?
ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಗುಂಡಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್
ಶರಣ
ಬರ್ತೀನಣ್ಣ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ಲೋಕಪ್ಪ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಣ್ಣ.
Thank you.
ಒಂದು ಖುಷಿಗೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಊರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ.
See, there's a waterfall there.
Looking at me like I will also
See,
give
see,
a handshake.
See there, bro, it's a waterfall.
Yeah, give that shake hand.
Bye.
Like if I say shake hand, she's saying bye.
I mean, how do I give handshake? Shake hand. Oh.
Brain is not braining right now.
Yeah.
He is not breeding. Mahi mindset.
What is it? Seatbelt?
Yeah, seatbelt.
So from this point we can't take the car up, so we're gonna park here.
ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
And then we have to trek from here to there.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಬುಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Oh sure.
ಬುಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ದು? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ರಾಣಿಜರಿಗೆ.
ಹಾ, ಬುಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ.
Oh, we have to book or something.
I don't know. No one will be.
ಏ ಇದು ಏನ್ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಇವಾಗ?
ಫೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ರಾಣಿಜರಿ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ.
ಬುಕಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ.
ರಾಣಿಜರಿಗೂ ಬುಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ರಾಣಿಜರಿಗೆ ಬೇಡ, ಫೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಂಡೇಜಿಗೆ ಬುಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
ഈ സ്ക്രാച്ച് ഒക്കെ നേരത്തെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നോ?
So there's some booking and all that we have to do, and we didn't do that. So I don't know what that is. We'll see that. This guy is telling us the way, some maybe shortcut. So we have to walk like 3 kilometers or something to go that Ranijhari fall, and yeah, that's it. We're gonna walk till there and we're gonna see the falls, and all of them are something disgusting. But see the damn view, bro, here. This is my first stream and I'm enjoying a lot. It's actually good, you know, loving it all. See my background, it's so good. The waves here, everything pretty as hell. There's a river down there, guys.
Actually, we can go down. So cameras are off. Girls give pose.
Cool place, guys. See, the water is coming from there, and there's a small bridge, and then there is this thing. Which side? I showed.
You wanna drink water?
From here to there. So pretty.
One.
Hey, you're supposed to throw at some lake or river.
Yeah.
River only we are throwing.
River only.
Flowing river.
Wow, look at the mountains, guys. It's awesome. അന്നാദ്യം കണ്ടതോർമ്മയില്ലേ കുന്നോളം മിന്നി വന്നൊരഴകായി എൻ മുന്നിൽ മിന്നി വന്ന കവിതേ. We saw a mini snake, but the car thing went up on this. I mean jeep. There's a mini snake, guys. I think he's on the verge of dying.
Bro, be little far.
Stop by this place which is behind me. We wanna eat Maggie from here, Maggie bread omelette or whatever. And we didn't go to that place. Okay, we came back halfway because we were getting late for the other places that we had to visit. So we thought we'll leave early so that we can visit the waterfall proper one. Here it was just viewpoint we can see from here. This one. That's why we didn't go. So we'll eat from here and then we'll depart for the waterfall. Talapatti. Rose trying to say hi to that puppy,
And
but
the puppy is getting scared and running.
puppy is scared of puppy is scared from you.
ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
He's only cooking, he's only doing everything.
ಬಿಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ರೂಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ 1,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ?
Dagan only is gonna cook everything now.
ಫುಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾನ ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 5 ಜನ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜಾಗ.
Now both the still the puppy is not coming. Now this.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಕೊಡಿಗೆಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
Give one from hand, no, that puppy. He won't eat. Mother only will eat everything.
പിച്ച് കൊടുക്ക്.
Come on.
ഹാഫ് ആക്കിയിട്ട് കൊടുക്കണ്ടേ?
He's scared. Give. He will come. Try harder. Okay, just drop it near his mouth. See this. Give.
ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വാ.
See. Give him it. He got only one. Bro, give him one more. He got one only.
എടുത്തു പോയി ഗോപാലൻ.
One is enough for him. Where is going to eat, bro? He's like full. He has some hidden point of eating.
ഇത് ശരിയല്ല കേട്ടോ. കൊച്ചിനോട് കുറച്ച് സ്നേഹം വേണം. മുഴുവൻ തിന്നോ?
കൊച്ചോട് ഒളിച്ചു നിന്നിട്ട് അവസ്ഥ തള്ള കാരണം.
This dog only ate everything.
ಅದೇನು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹಾಕೋದು ಬರೀ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ guys you don't want onion and tomato in Maggi everyone okay with spicy more
Not too much.
ಇದು ಕೊಡಿ ಮಸಾಲಾ
He's only gonna cook.
ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಹಾಕಿ ಮೆಣಸು ಕೊಡಿ ಖಾರ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ
ಖಾರ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಇವಾಗ ಹಾಕೋದು
Hey, you're gonna put green chilies.
ಹಾಕಿ
You don't need that. He will cook.
It's already fully fried.
He will make me. He has our color.
ಐದಾ ತಳ್ಳಪಟ್ಟಿದೆ
Now you can come.
ಅದು ತಳ್ಳಪಟ್ಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲ
How do you feel cooking in a mountain?
It's very expressive, enthusiastic. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ
ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಬನ್ನಿ ಜನರೇ ಬನ್ನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಬೇಕಾ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಅಣ್ಣ ಅದ್ ಕಾಫಿ ನಾಡು ಚಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೇನ ಇರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಂಗ್ಳೂರ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಛೇ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಫಿ ನಾಡು ಚಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀರಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಜನರೇ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಡ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ ಕಾಸು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ
The sitting area and all so good, man. The vibe is.
So the place we'll be sitting there is that. So this is the place which will be cooking. If I'm
eating.
struggling. Oh.
What happened?
It jumped off me. Seriously. I didn't drop it. It jumped off. സ്വന്തമായിട്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയാൽ പൈസ വിലപേശി കുറയ്ക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി
पैसा सेव करो खर्चे ज्यादा करो
അതിനു വേണ്ടി സ്വന്തമായിട്ട്
फोन देर्गे भी
ಒಂದು
ಒಂದೊಂದು ಜನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ
ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡು
നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും പാർലേജി കൊടുത്തോണ്ട് ഇപ്പൊ ഞങ്ങളുടെ മൂട്ടി വന്നിക്കുക പോകുന്നില്ല അതെ അതിന്റെ കുഞ്ഞവിടെ നിപ്പുണ്ട് കൊച്ചിനാണ് കൊടുക്കാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചേ എന്റെ തള്ള അച്ഛനും എല്ലാം വന്നിട്ട് അതെല്ലാം എടുത്ത് തിന്നുന്നു അതന്നെ അമ്മായിയൊക്കെ വന്ന് തിന്നുന്നു കൊച്ചിന് കൊടുക്കുന്നില്ല കൊച്ചെന്നിട്ട് പേടിച്ച് ദേ അവിടെ ആ മൂലയിൽ പോയാണ് തിന്നണത് ഇല്ലടാ നീയാണോ തന്താ നീയൊക്കെ എന്ത് തന്തേടാ തള്ള എന്തി തള്ള മൂന്ന കണ്ട തള്ളക്കൊരു സ്നേഹമില്ല കൊച്ചിനോട് ഇവൻ ഏതൊരു നടനെ പോലെ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ ആ ഒറ്റ മുടി ഫ്രണ്ടിലോട്ട് ഇട്ടപ്പം ഉണ്ട് അതൊരു റൊമാൻസി You don't want Maggi?
No, I want Maggi.
glass.
This is what Gagan made. Gagan turn.
Gagan too.
Thank God she told turn, not anything else. Glass ilvana?
Now do somebody give. Now she will give. What is that? Review.
Review. How is the hotel
साथ
food?
में खाएंगे.
साथ में खाएंगे, साथ में नाचेंगे. How is the food, please?
കൈക്ക് ഒരുമിച്ച് വാ.
Taste, taste,
കൈക്ക്
taste and say how much. Rating. Rating. Out of 10. Eat fast, no. घंटे लगा रही है एक बाइट लेने के लिए.
അല്ല ടേസ്റ്റ് വ്യത്യാസം ഉണ്ടല്ലോ പറയണ്ട
Bro,
Actually, that taste
From that
would have
time
been
waiting
better
it.
for her. Because the dog
how much?
formula will be on her.
Out of 10?
Out of
10, how much you wanna give?
9.7.
9.7, bro. Very good. You guys.
I'll take some time to blow and
Wow.
For her blowing only, she need 1 hour.
it will come as double meanings.
इसका रिव्यू.
Hello, why you are going for that meaning blow?
रिव्यू
9
You should be
9.
single meaning like me. Always
Huh?
that thing.
9.2.
9.2. Rose turn.
Rose will be like, please give me 9.2 seconds to blow. Over blowing.
Okay. She doesn't like 8.
Right.
I will also take.
No, actually, 9.
You.
9.
That's
Not more
good.
than that.
Me also 9. Now we'll eat.
We'll have beef.
मैगी थोड़ी ना खाया हूँ.
नहीं खाया.
मैगी थोड़ी.
പത്തര ആയതുള്ളൂ വേണം ഫാൾസിന്റെ അവിടെ പോയിട്ട് 1 മണിക്കൂർ
അല്ല വേറൊരു വ്യൂ പോയിന്റ് ഉണ്ട്.
നടക്കുവോ
Rose trying to talk in Kannada.
അവൻ പറഞ്ഞു
Ask.
ചെറുതിന്റെ വരുന്ന
Ask. No, ask. ತಮ್ಮಿ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
ನಿನ್ ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ದೀಕ್ಷಿತ್.
You ask no.
Dikshit.
That's all you wanted to ask.
Bye.
Bye.